Welcome to Learn English with an iGirl, where your fluency journey gets real. Let me guess, you said, this year I'm finally going to become fluent in English. And then you stopped. Not because you didn't want it, but because you didn't have a plan. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Today, I will show you how to set goals that don't just sound good, but actually work. Think about it. When someone says, I want to be fluent, what do they really mean? Does fluency mean ordering food in a London cafe? Or having a Zoom interview in English? Or helping your child with school homework? The word fluent is just a big destination. What do you need are smaller steps to get there. Let's make your goals smarter, literally. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. But don't worry, this isn't school. Let's take an example. Instead of, I want to improve my English, try, I will learn 10 new words about travel this week and use them in a sentence. Actually, this works. Let's fix the 3 biggest mistakes learners make when setting English goals. They go too big, too fast, trying to study 3 hours a day when you barely have 20 minutes. Not happening. They set vague goals, like I will speak better English. Better how? With whom? When? They compare themselves to others. Listen, your journey is your own, and you don't need to sound like a native speaker to be fluent. Isn't it? Not sure what kind of goals to set? Try this. Learn 5 new words each morning and use them in your day. Watch 1 English video with subtitles every night. Write 1 short journal entry in English every evening. Record yourself reading a paragraph and listen back. None of these take more than 15 minutes, but together they are powerful. Here is something most learners forget: to track what you do. Every time you complete a small goal, write it down. Use a notebook, a Google Sheet, an app, even a sticky note. Why? Because when you see progress, you want to keep going and celebrate your wins. I understood 80% of the podcast. That's huge. I asked a full question at work today. That's amazing. Life happens. You will miss a day or a week. It's normal. The wrong move is quitting. The right move is adjusting. Didn't study today? Don't worry, study 10 minutes tomorrow. Too tired? Don't worry, listen to an English song while you cook. Now it's your turn. Take 30 seconds. Set 1 realistic English goal for the next 7 days. Say it out aloud. Or better, write it in the comments. I will be reading them. I love to read them. And in our next video, we will turn that goal into a powerful daily routine. For more English learning videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.